Hello everybody, just today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the crankcase vent valve on 2011 Mercedes GLK 350. Let me show you the part number before I get it started. Okay, this part number is A like apple and 27201000631. Let me open the box and show you what the part look like. It's a part look like the cover for a crankcase, and the location of it is on the passenger side cylinder head. Its location in here is close to the firewall, but this one, when it leak a lot of oil, you know, like the oil drop on the exhaust manifold. It started smoke it out, so the customer complained a lot about it. So okay, let's get it started, guys. All tool that I needed: the long ratchet, and you see the 8mm socket and the 8mm ring in here. Okay guys, so let's get it started. Let me put the camera in place and easy for you guys can see it. Okay, so I remove all my tools out. See the top cover, engine cover in here. Remove it, put on the side, and that was in here. Just remove it, put on the side. Put on the side. And you see that part, we have to remove it. You see the intake manifold, air intake hose. It's not intake manifold, air intake hose. We need to remove it. Okay, so it's very simple to remove the air intakes. And they can just see it. You see the clip behind it. So you guys, you know, like, just follow what I'm doing, okay? Don't follow what I'm said. Sometimes, you know, I get lost. I don't know what I'm. Okay, you see the clip behind it. This will go directly to the throttle body. Just lift it, and don't forget to disconnect the hose in here from the secondary air injector hose, and just remove the hose out. So give me a second. Just lift it. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Just lift it and put it on the side. You're gonna see right now the engine nice and clear. We get a lot of room to work on it. You see it, a lot of oil leak in here. So okay, it's time to remove it. Let me find a good spot to put the camera. Okay, is good enough or not? Let me move the flashlight to the side. It's easy for you guys can see it. Okay, so you see one hose, it's the breather hose here. So just remove it and put it on the side. And you can use like I said, you can use a number 8mm wrench to remove it, or we still need it. We still need the wrench too, because like the one screw on the bottom one a little bit tight. It's not enough room for us, so we need it. All right, give me a second, guys. I think they have one right tie in here. I think this is a holder wire for something. We need to cut it out. Okay. Okay. Let me see what is blocking now. It's the alternator. I think alternator terminal. I don't know. I cannot see it. Sorry, guys. But we don't need to care much about it. As long as we can remove it out, should be good. Okay, so let me use the number 8mm. this one screw out. Go to the second screw. The bullet, they use the star one, but you can use the regular wrench. Second one's out. Let me see the third one and the fourth one at the bottom. Yeah, you can try it at home, you know, save a lot of money too. It's a very common problem on Mercedes, you know, leaking oil on the crankcase cover. I think that both sides they have it. The other side, on driver's side, they have the plug. You just remove the plugs out, but it doesn't leak it. So I just do the one side that customer wanted. That's all. Wow, the bottom one is harder. This one is, it's a very small room for me. Okay, the third one come out, and the fourth one I gotta use the wrench. The ratchet is easier. This one a little bit short. I should bring the other one a bit longer than this one, but anyway, it worked now. So after you remove the last bolt here, so it's time to remove the crankcase. So see it, the old one, the gasket completely deaded. See, dry out and leaking a lot of oil. Okay, just put on the side. Let me make sure all the surface are clean. Okay, it's clean right now. I'm gonna use the mirror to double check it, make sure it's clean. Alright. We will get it. Make sure you clean it, okay? Clean the old gasket, the one that stick with the cylinder. Bát bóng. Chậm tí bóng nó chậm tí. Guys, it's almost done, okay? But the problem, I cannot find my mirror, so I have to feel it. Oh, is it clean right now? Very clean. Okay, perfect. Right now it's time to install the new crankcase cover in here. You see this new one and the old one, the gasket like completely broken. So install is very simple. Just take out the plug in here, okay? I should take out the plug and put it back. Push it in. See, very simple, guys. Just plug and play. Okay, so the top screw is already in, and 3 more screws left. Let me put the top one here. It's 2 more to go. Sorry, you know, I cannot put the camera on the other side because it's too dark. You guys won't see it. So, and the bottom one is is a very hard one. We don't have enough room for us. Here you go. It's in. Oh, the screen here is a very hard one. Lucy. Alright, it's almost done, guy. Almost done. Okay. Just tie the bow back. So. Okay, so done the second one. Okay, perfect. Okay. And the last one here. Almost done, guy. Almost done. It's a very simple job. You can try it at home. Very simple. This socket here is too short. Let me go get the other one. This one is seem good to me. Clear and it's good. Okay, it's good to go. So don't forget to put the breather hose back in. Oh, okay, it's good to go. And the next part, just reinstall the air intakes. is in, clip it, and the secondary air injector hose, just put it back. Okay, give me okay, just come around a little bit, and just put the hose back. And the last one is the cover. Okay, this one is how to install and remove and install the crankcase vent valve. So that's all. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and thank you.